Today we talk about how can you disable new song notifications on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above here your photo profile, click on it, and just click on photo profile. It's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications, just click on it here. So then come to next step here, come here to new song album notifications, clicking this sign here or this color. Like you say color, it's gone. That's my new song album notifications, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.